Hi, I'm Shalane, this is Dean, and we are
Grassroots Living.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, like we know this.
Hi friends, thank you so much for joining us. We did a thing, and we're super excited about it. So
Yes, in fact, we got to thank JT from the American Wanderer. In his working van, I guess is the best way to say it, he has his own business doing decals.
yeah, we're gonna link that below, like his information. We're gonna link his information below for you and just share with you what he did for us in our rig. So
And several other YouTubers while we're in Courtside too.
yeah, we got so blessed and lucky to be in a circle with him at Courtside. So thank you again to him for that. Let's check that out.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
Well, you act like you've done that before.
Place I didn't know. In a different part of town, I see
How long you been doing this? A minute?
I started in the sign industry in 1974.
Okay.
1993 with a computer. Didn't bring my scissors because the garment scissors are huge.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down this boulevard tonight. Yeah, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer. more I think of all the tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing ever will. 'Cause dreams are hard to kill. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. Show me the way, show me a way to somewhere, to somewhere. Nothing from the past can hurt us anymore. We're free of what we lost. Not anything or anyone will hold us back, no matter what the cost. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. Show me the way, show me a way to somewhere. Show me the way, show me a way to somewhere. Show me the way, show me a way where we can build our memories. Show me the way, show me a way to somewhere, to somewhere.
But if we both have the same pack. Comes with three extra batteries. So right now, that's all we need.
So how can people get hold of you to
Email.
get some work done?
Email AmericanWandererUSA@gmail.com, or they can call me at 910-232-7704. And in my About page and stuff, I have all my websites and stuff on there.
All right, thanks again for joining us. We will see you Tuesday night. This is Grassroots Living, reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you. We'll catch you next time.
Peace out. Thought you were gonna go with this hand, so I was getting out of your way.